Hey guys, so I built my first Mac application, which is basically a clip manager. Whatever you paste, it will record. This app will record, constantly monitor until you close it, of course. So I command C here, and let's see if it's here. So it's here now, right? core features core features, right? So this is, so I can do transform of this paste, encode, decode, and do all sorts of formatting and see stat about it, right? And so kind of a handy tool. So this is md.md file, but I can do all sort of things, like if I copy uh, hex code, it'll copy as a color, and I can transform it right here, right? And I can even save an image, like command control and do this, so it will capture image. And what happens, the interesting thing that happens with image when you take a clip of image is that it extracts the color palette of whatever image you extract, and also extract the OCR on it, right? Not only that, but we have all the features like combining all these pastes and save it as a new clip, or just copy and paste anywhere you want. Let's save it as a new clip and see what happens. So this is now all the clips combined. This also has the colors, etc., right? So the title seems to be a bit messed up here, which I need to fix. So I can actually demo emails. I can actually rename my clips, right? And do all sorts of transform, like JSON. Where's the JSON sample? This is some test sample, transform test sample. So this is the YAML. This is the YAML, and it's a tag as YAML, right? And look here. Now I can transform it YAML to JSON. So I can convert it to JSON. I can see the original version, right? And if I copy JSON here, I can transform it to beautify JSON. So this is beautification, and JSON to YAML, or JSON to CSV, whatever you want, you know. The CSV is better, a little bit messed up, but I'll work on it. So what else? The interesting thing is that wherever you copy from, it tracks the application, so you can filter clips with application, or you can put clips to favorites, or you can pin it to top, right? Do all sort of things like this. Look, essence, try, all sort of clips here, right? So another interesting feature here is we have all this set of settings. This is about section, quick action section. So if you tap Command, Option, and V, this will minimize or maximize. Or we have all sorts of automation rules that we can do. Like we can, so if the paste contains some certain text, we can, like, let's say, to do. No, to do. I think the to do rule is already there. Say, for example, John, then conditions. We can also add another condition, but I think it's not necessary here. We can just tap. So what do we do? Add tag, rename title. John's paste. Add action, next. So this will give you the final row. John's text. Save row. And let's copy this. Huh. 3 minutes ago. What happened? Oh, it's a near ad. So it's a near dupes, right? John has a baby. John's best. See this? John's best. It will now. John doesn't have a baby. John's best. John doesn't have a baby. Like this. You can do all sort of things. Like if we're researching something, science, then you can. So let's try to add another rule here. Automation rules. Add rule. Text contains science, then no condition, action is tag as, or set notification transform text, delete clip from OCR on CSV export file. So let's add tag here. Content, right? So if text contains or matches science, then tag scientific pastes. Say row. So these all rules are activated and all things would work, right? Science is good. See what happens. Science is good. Scientific content, right? This type of rules can be set, right? So there are images, we can filter through images. We can even copy things from Finder, right? So this is a screen record. Let's see what happens. See, size it gives a metadata. That's it, and it also repeats the path. That's it. So if you want to bookmark something in your Finder, that's a quick way to do it. Or you can select multiple files as well. 6 items, right? 6 items. So things like this. So let's copy path. What to do about it? You say it. Copy paths. What else do we have? Oh yeah, so there's a AI feature enabled actually, right? AI feature enabled, and if we do that, the the LLM model, the selected LLM model would read the best and tag or title it appropriately. Let's see. So we have a rule set to this John's best and John's best and science. So these are the content. But let's see what happens if we copy this. So is there a John again? Okay, damn it. Oh, uh, is that a basic encoded thing? Okay, let's type it. Best encoded string. Ta-da! URL sample. URL decoding. Ta-da! URL encoding or decoding. It's categorizing itself. Let's turn it off and see how it categorizes this same text. If I turn off the AI, let's see. It's just simple URL encoded sample, right? So this is the power of the AI, right? So if I type this, it will read the context and categorize or what to check. It's just a what to check, right? But let's see. Copy. Mm-hmm. What about the whole file? Fucking John. I need to disable this rule. The rule takes precedence over everything. That's it. No other thing. Get the AI process context aware. Transform menu to sample. Right? Whatever, yada yada yada. So that's it. URL encode HTML entities, CWT, and you can filter through tags as well. CSPs, clip note. What else we got? We got URL. Let's type a URL. Let's say is it correct? I don't know. Let's see. Here. So if we type the URL, it grabs the fav icon and gets the domain name. And we can see a lot of details about the URL. We can open it in browser, write, whatever, You can do whatever. What else? I have Also, there are all other features like you can ignore applications. See, applications, and maybe what do we do? Add VS Code. Let's add here, right? So I have added code insiders. So whatever I copy now, I will just ignore. Ignored. Do we see paste here? No, because it's ignored, right? Because we have ignored explicitly, it shouldn't copy, right? So some privacy related application, it would be useful. What else? So you can limit the screen size, the file size, and you can also set the auto cleanup, right? So you can say that you can delete after 1 day, or you can clear all. There's a local intelligence already, like I mentioned. And the interesting thing is we have MCP as well, the hot thing, right? So if you are using AI tools like Cloudy Desktop or Anthropic, Visual Studio Code, Codex, Copilot, anything that can use MCP, you can configure and connect with this MCP. Whenever I start the application, it will spin off a server through which MCP clients can connect to this application and perform tasks, right? So let me show you how it works. So if you go to try, and what do we have? Keep all. Let's keep all. List clips. What does it do? What does it do? List recent clips from ClipNote. ClipNote is the MCP integration, right? Look here. So it's getting everything as it is here. The first is Google, and then context-aware transform, and things like that. So this is the thing that I am currently working. And also you could make your own collections here, prompts. It's not working. You could add your own collection and also save thread. You can copy your context from the LLM tools to this application, right? Let's see what it does. Just run. So this is done with the AI, right? Script assistant listed in User list clips, assisted listed 10 clips including Google, something yada yada yada. Copy 10 latest clip and save it as a clip. So you can do this kind of things with MCB, but we also have feature to combine, right? Like I think I have mentioned you before. Let's run. Combined, right? So if you turn on this LLM and have rules, it'll take some time to process the text and then add here, right? So this is it. So I'm going to soon publish it to the stores, and maybe you can give me feedbacks and support a bit.